Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we'll solve a interesting math problem which is x squared over 25 is equal to 25 over x squared, x is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math problem or math solution? I take our question which is x to the power 2 over 25 is equal to 25 over x to the power 2. Then at this moment this x squared times this x squared, it will be x to the power 2 times x to the power 2 is equal to this 25 times this 25, it will be 25 times 25. I use here is cross multiplication. Then this expression, it will be x to the power 2 times x to the power 2 is equal to this 25, it will be 5 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2. Now this expression you can say easily this is x to the power 2 bracket whole to the power 2 is equal to 5 to the power 2 bracket whole to the power 2. Now I just move on this value in this side, it will be negative, because of that this is positive. So this is x to the power 2 bracket power is 2 is equal to I just move on this value in this side, it will be minus 5 to the power 2 bracket power is 2 is equal to 0. Now we know that a square minus b square, which is a minus b plus a plus b. So if I apply this math formula here, a square minus b square, which is a plus b times a minus b, so this expression it will be x square minus here is 5 square, so a minus b a plus b is equal to 0. So we'll find out here is two cases. Our first case, which is x to the power 2 minus 5 to the power 2 is equal to 0. Then at this moment if I move on this value in this side, it will be x to the power 2 and this is minus 5 to the power 2. I just move on this value in this side, it will be positive. Now this is x to the power 2 and I use both sides square root. Then if I use both sides square root, 5 square. Now we are find out here is x is equal to plus or minus 5. This is our real solution in this math problem. Now if I take this case here, so which is x to the power 2 plus 5 to the power 2 is equal to 0. Then here x to the power 2, and if I move on this value in this side, it will be negative 5 to the power 2. At this moment we are find out here is complex number, complex solution. So this is x to the power 2 and I use both sides square root. I take here is a square root minus 5 square. So this expression it will be x is equal to plus minus square root 5 square and square root negative 1. I separate this case. Then we are find out here x is equal to plus minus square root is cancelled, this is 5, and square root negative 1, this is I. So we will find out our final answer, which is x is equal to 5, our real solution, which is x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 5i and x is equal to minus 5i. This is our final solution in this tricky exponential expression. Now let's verify or let's check out our question, which is x to the power 2. I take our question is equal to 25 is equal to 25 over x to the power 2. Now I take x is equal to 5. So if I take x is equal to 5, so this time you can say easily 5 to the power 2 is equal to 25 power 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2 over 25 is equal to 25 over 5 to the power 2. So this divide this divide this, both are cancelled. This is 1 is equal to 1. But if you think x is equal to minus 5, so this time you can say is equal to x is equal to negative 5. So negative 5 bracket power is 2 over 25 is equal to, then this is 25 over negative 5 bracket power is 2. It is also same case, this cancel, which is 1 is equal to 1. Because of that, minus something power is even number, it is always positive. So this is 25, this is 25, 25, 25 is cancel is equal to, this is 1 is equal to 1. But we'll find out other case x is equal to 5i. It is a complex number, 5i. So this is 5i bracket power is 2 is equal to 25 is equal to 25 is over 5i bracket power is 2. Now this is 5 to the power 2, it will be 25, but I to the power 2 is equal to negative 1. So you can see this is negative 1. So negative 1 is equal to negative 1. Because of that, this 25 will cancel. We'll find out I square. So I square is equal to negative 1. Negative 1 is equal to negative 1. So left hand side and right hand side, both side is equal. And other case, we'll find out negative 5i. So in this expression, you can say minus 5i bracket power is 2 over 25 is equal to 25 over minus 5i. We will also find out same case. Here is left hand side and right hand side, both side is equal. It is also minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So here is 4 solution, both solution, 4 solution are right solution. But interesting, here is 2 real solution and 2 complex number. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this math problem, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye. Take care everyone. Have a good day.